Hi first graders, welcome to SmartStart Week 2, Day 2. Okay, so first we're going to look at some sentences, and it says, I know about Jack. So what we're focusing on today is finger space. You have word, space, word, space, word, space. And then the last word has no space, it just has an end mark. So let's look at another sentence. It says he meets a giant. He space meets space space giant. And giant's the end of our thought, so we're going to put an end mark. Okay, what is a giant? What space is space space, and then giant is a end mark, which is a question mark, and it tells me the end of my thought. Okay, we're looking at parts of books, and this part of the book is the title page. So this is the title of the book. It says orange, pear, apple, there. And this is the next page inside. It's not the cover, it's not the front, it's the next page, which is the title page. Okay, friends, I am going to say a word and then say the first or beginning sound in the word. Listen, dog. The beginning sound in dog is D. Now listen to the last or ending sound in a word. Listen, sad. The ending sound in sad is D. Say the sound with me, D. Okay, I'm going to say a few words, and I want you to listen for the first or beginning sound. And I'll give you 3 seconds. Duck. Duck. 3, 2, 1. The first sound is D. D. Noise. Oh, sorry. Nose. Nose. 3, 2, 1. The first sound is horse. Horse. 3, 2, 1. The first sound is door. Door. 3, 2, 1. D. The first sound is D. Hop. Hop. 3, 2, 1. The first sound is last one for the beginning sound. Nice. Nice. 3, 2, 1. The first sound is Okay, friends, now we're listening for the last sound. This is a little tricky because it's not the first one you hear, it's the last one you hear. Okay, so first is sit. Sit. 3, 2, 1. T. The last sound is T. Run. Run. 3, 2, 1. The last sound is Map. Map. 3, 2, 1. The last sound is P. Bed. Bed. 3, 2, 1. The last sound is D. The ending sound is D. Fan. Fan. And it's actually fan. 3, 2, 1. The last sound is And last of all, read. Read. 3, 2, 1. The last sound is D. Okay, friends. We are on the octopus card, and the octopus card says ah, ah, and in kindergarten you learned O is for octopus, ah, ah, octopus. Okay, so the name of this card, the name of this letter is O. We have uppercase O and lowercase o, but the sound is ah or O, but today we're working on the short sound, which is ah, octopus. So Miss Turner will go over writing uppercase and lowercase ah. Now I'm going to go across and say this sound with me. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, So 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. T. Okay, friends, now that we reviewed those sounds, we're going to start blending. And remember, blending is when we keep our voice on to create a word. Okay, here we go. Ah, on. Put it together. On. Okay, blend. Ma. Put it together. Mop. The word is mop. T, t. Now we can't blend with t till we have the next sound. So the next part will blend. Blend. Top. What's the word? Top. Okay. Blend. Not. Put it together. Not. Okay, here are some more. I'll do one and I'll let you do one. So we'll take turns. On. The word is on. Your turn. Blend. 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 Word. Mop. My turn. T. Blend. Oh, I can't blend till now. Top. Word. Top. Your turn. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Sound. Put it together. It is tap. My turn. Not. Put it together. Not. Your turn. Oh, sorry. You can't blend yet. Now you can blend. Sound. Put it together. Pot. Can't blend yet. Caught. The word is caught. Okay, you can't blend yet. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Cat. Okay, there are a couple more. I'll do these with you now. In. An. Am. Like I am. At. What's the word? At. Blend. Fan. Word. Fan. Blend. Fin. What's the word? Fin. Map. What's the word? Map. Blend. Mop. What's the word? Mop. Okay, friends, now we're on our sentence. So this word is I can. So I can do a lot. So let's read it fluently or smoothly, how we speak. I can do a lot. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space in between the words? We do. Can you read it? Yes. Does it have good spelling? Yes. And do we have an end mark? Yes. And what is our end mark today? It's a period. That's right. Okay, here's another sentence. I am on top. Okay, let's read it fluently. I am on top. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space in between our words? Yes. Do we have spelling? Yes. Can we read it? Yes. And do we have an end mark? Yes. And what is our end mark? That's right. It's a period. Okay, friends, we are listening to see if the word has an ah sound. So, here we go. If it starts with an ah sound. I'll give you 3 seconds. Car. 3, 2, 1. No, that started with a k sound. Octopus. 3, 2, 1. Ah, that sounds with an ah. Okay, this is, I'm guessing that means bag or full. Not sure, so I'll just say full. 3, 2, 1. No, full has a f sound. This is an ostrich. Give you a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes, ostrich. Okay, here's pig. 3, 2, 1. No, does not say ah. Okay, next one. Olive. 3, 2, 1. Yes, that has an ah sound. Okay, once again, we're looking at putting words together. So this is an interesting animal. It's not a cow and it's not a bull. It's called an ox. What's the word? Ox. Okay, give me the first sound. Ah. Ox. Okay, this is a box. Let's make those sounds. Box. Nice job, friends. Okay, this is the word my. Say it with me. My. My hair is brown. Well, my hair is brownish blonde. Okay, the word my is spelled M-Y. Spell it with me. M-Y. Let's write the word in the air with our finger. M-Y. Nice job. Okay, this is the word look. Say it with me. Look. Look at my new hat. The word look is spelled L-O-O-K. Spell it with me. L-O-O-K. Let's write it in the air. L-O-O-K. This word is little. Say it with me. Little. There are little desks at school. The word little is spelled L-I-T-T-L-E. Spell it with me. L-I-T-T-L-E. Let's write it in the air. L-I-T-T-L-E. Nice job. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Like. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. Has. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. This. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Go. And last. 3, 2, 1 is. Okay, we're going to quickly read this story. This says, look! And it has an end mark. That's an exclamation mark. We're excited. Okay, look. Here we go. Look, this is my giraffe. Okay, next one. Look, this is my monkey. Look, this is my little teddy bear. Or you can just say teddy. Last, this is my bedroom. And we're excited, bedroom. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for helping me today. Bye.